Welcome to another Grotto Slice tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to use a template once it's uploaded from Figma to Klaviyo. So to do that, let's first upload an email from Figma to Klaviyo. So to do that, you want to click on the email creative frame, or the actual frame of your email, and then with Grotto Slice plugin, click Send to Klaviyo. That's as simple as it is. As a reminder, in the background, what this template plugin is actually doing is slicing your email, it's compressing those images, uploading each of those images to Klaviyo, and then creating a template with your alt text, with your preview text, and with your link addresses directly from Figma. So it's pretty amazing what it does. As you can see already, it shows us the actual slices of this email frame. Looks like it sliced it pretty well. And then template uploaded. So as you can see, it takes about a minute to actually upload from Figma to Klaviyo. But now that it's uploaded to Klaviyo, we can either use it in Klaviyo, edit it in Grotto Slice, or just slice another one directly to Klaviyo. And so I'm going to show you what to do in these different places. So first off, let's say that your image isn't perfectly sliced. Let's say I either missed a button or missed a vertical section, or you want to edit anything about it. So what you can do is click Edit in Grotto Slice, which opens up your email history in Grotto Slice. So find your email that you just uploaded and click Open in Editor. And now this is the place where you can customize anything you want if the Smart Slice didn't get it perfectly the first time. And so here we're selected on the horizontal line tool. You can also click vertical lines or the select button. But on the horizontal line tool, you can click anywhere on this email and it adds a slice line. So this will be a new section once uploaded to Klaviyo. Of course, you can drag those around, or you can double click to delete a slice line. Let's say I want this to be a different link address, okay? So I just put a slice line right there. If I did want to add a vertical line, you can just click anywhere in that section and it adds a line directly to the center. You can click another time and it splits it into thirds, up to 4 at a time. I'll double click on these lines to remove those though. And then I'll click the select button and select this here. And let's say right here I want this to go to page 2, a different page, maybe a product page, whatever it may be. Of course, you can also edit the preview text in any of these sections. So now that I've edited it to be exactly how I want to, I can click Update Klaviyo Template. So I click that, it'll reslice the image, send them to the template, and it'll actually replace the existing templates already there rather than creating a new one because we're editing this one. So I just got a notification that success, your email template is ready in Klaviyo. So now what we can do is go to Klaviyo itself. A simple button we can use is back here in Figma, this top button using Klaviyo. You can click that whether you edited it in Grotto Slice, or if it got it perfect the first time, you can just click this button and it takes you directly to Klaviyo on the campaign section. So now we have a template into our Klaviyo account. How do we use it? So what I recommend is, of course, if you want to use it in a campaign, let's create a campaign. So I'm going to create a campaign, just name it Test Grotto Slice. This will be an email campaign. For this list, I'll just do a test list I have of just me. Go next. We'll do a test subject line. Of course, you want to use real data here. And then the preview text will pull from the template that you uploaded. So that'll be actually edited directly in Figma, the plugin. So you don't need to enter that here. If you click on the template that we just uploaded and click Use Template, you'll see it looks exactly the same as it did when it was in Figma. It's multiple images here. It has the alt text. It has this new kind of section that we cropped ourselves because we updated it. And it also has at the bottom here the footer. And again, the footer is an image originally because it just pulls from the image in Figma. But what we want to do is delete this image and drag on a universal block. And so this will actually have all of the link addresses that we initially had. It'll have your social media icons. It'll have the links in these different, the table there. It'll have everything that you want. Also, you probably want an unsubscribe link on your footer. If you do want to watch a video on how to create this footer to be compatible with Grotto Slice, we have a video tutorial on that, so make sure to watch that so you can see how to use it. But now we have a ready to send email template that's ready to go, ready to send as a campaign. So that's how you use it in a campaign. If you do want to use it in an automated flow, it's the same process. You can use the drag and drop builder. And the best part about Grotto Slice is it creates it in a native drag and drop builder, where if you want to edit anything about this, whether you want to add text onto it, let's say I want to add text, you can edit the text directly. You can add variables like their name, anything about their profile. So you can kind of do anything that you normally would in a regular drag and drop builder, which is amazing. You can also delete any of these image blocks that you need, replace it with anything. So it's pretty amazing what it can do. One caveat that I did want to mention here is inside of Klaviyo, if you go to the templates, if you open this template that we have here, it will be HTML code. So remember, you can edit this in the drag and drop builder in the campaigns or automated flows, but you cannot edit it in the template section unless you want to see the code. And you can actually see how it's all coded here. You see the preview text and everything else. So that is how you use a template once uploaded from Figma to Klaviyo using Grotto Slice.